Wheel spin. Now the vehicle really is in a jam. Time's lost. Deadlines are at risk. A nightmare for everyone who earns his living on the road. Just in time, even in snow and ice. Rotogrip, the automatic chain grip system. A must for all professionals who have to stay mobile whatever the weather. Here are just a few examples. Long-distance haulage, transport of hazardous goods, fire brigades, or snow-clearing vehicles. You activate Rotogrip from the cab while you're moving, also at very low speeds. A chain mat driven by the tire instantly spreads out under the wheel, so you can continue your journey without interruption. Rotogrip, easy to operate and a major step towards fully automatic snow chains. For sure grip even when reversing. And as you'd expect of a mature, proven commercial vehicle accessory, you can rely on Rotogrip even under the most adverse conditions. Controlled with compressed air, it quickly wraps itself around the tire. Driven by the tire wall, firm gripping chain strands roll under the wheel. Even when braking, there are always enough chain links providing grip. The individual components, comprising the universal adapter, the compressed air cylinder, and the Rotogrip friction wheel, are all easy to fit. The adapter system is suitable for all vehicles. No need to stop while you activate it. The ideal answer for safety and mobility in snow and ice. No more time lost due to bad weather. So Rotogrip pays for itself very quickly indeed, and helps keep insurance costs down. Approved by the Bavarian Technical Safety Inspectorate and patent approved by the German Federal Office for Motor Traffic. Rotogrip by Rudd, the leading manufacturer of snow chains. Famous for innovative solutions in every application, plus the highest quality and safety standards. Rotogrip, probably the most advanced snow chain accessory around. Rudd gets you there.